Hey Siri, turn off the cottage. Hey Siri, turn on the cottage. Hey Siri, turn off the kitchen. Hey Siri, turn off the deck. Hey everyone, as you can see, we have the HomeKit smart switch installed. The setup process is super easy, super quick, it's fantastic. The responsiveness, again, super quick. Really impressed for, that kind of speed from a product using Wi-Fi in New Zealand. So that's really great. As you can see, that's a 3-gang. That switch there can be converted to a 2 or a single, as long as you have the line in to the appropriate lights. You can convert that to a single gang or a double or whatever, just in the back end. Very easy to do. We're really excited to get them installed. You can see that's the white version. The setup process, Siri control, very easy. HomeKit app control, very quick and responsive. Really excited, and as it becomes released, we'll share a bit more details about pricing and all those things. But to have one of the few HomeKit switches, or the only HomeKit switch in New Zealand, yet to be determined, we're pretty excited because we know a lot of people have been waiting for a solution like this, that are iOS user and HomeKit. So be excited, we are, and we hope we can get some product to you enthusiasts pretty quickly. Cheers.